Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're doing great today. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a common frustration many QuickBooks Online users face: incorrect reports. If you've ever pulled a report and noticed that the numbers don't add up or just look off, don't worry. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to identify the issue, fix it, and make sure your reports reflect the right data. So let's dive straight in. The very first step is to identify the problematic transaction. Start by running the report that's giving you trouble. Maybe it's a profit and loss report, a balance sheet, or an inventory valuation report. Once you've got it open, scan through it carefully and look for any discrepancies. Maybe an expense looks higher than it should, or inventory costs seem out of line. When you spot something unusual, double-click that number. This is what's called drilling down. QuickBooks will show you all the individual transactions that make up that figure. Now, once you've drilled down, the second step is to address the cause of the error. And there are a few common culprits. First, let's talk about deleted transactions. If a transaction was accidentally deleted, QuickBooks will no longer reflect it in the report. To fix this, recreate the transaction. Just select the plus new button. Choose the correct form type, like an expense, invoice, or bill, and re-enter the details. Another issue you might find is when a transaction amount has been changed. Maybe someone edited the wrong field or mistyped a number. In that case, open the transaction, check its history, and update the amount back to the correct value. Don't forget to hit save before you exit. Next, we have reconciliation problems. If you notice that an account's balance in the report doesn't match your bank records, the reconciliation could be off. To fix it, head over to the accounts register, look for the transaction in question, and make sure it's marked correctly in the R column, which stands for reconciled. Another common mistake is an incorrect opening or ending balance during reconciliation. If you enter even a small difference compared to your bank statement, your reports won't align. So always double check that the beginning balance and ending balance match exactly what's on your bank statement. And for those of you working with inventory, a big issue could be an incorrect initial cost for items. To fix this, go to Reports, greater than inventory valuation detail, find the item in question, and adjust the initial cost if it's wrong. This is crucial because QuickBooks uses that cost to calculate your inventory value and related reports. All right, so after you've fixed the transaction or made your adjustments, it's time for step 3, verify the solution. Go back to the report and rerun it. See if the numbers now look accurate. If you're reconciling an account, QuickBooks may even show you an alert if there's still a discrepancy, and you can follow the on-screen steps to resolve it. Finally, step 4, seek help if needed. Sometimes the issue is more complex than it seems, and that's okay. In that case, click on the help icon in QuickBooks, select Contact Us, and reach out to QuickBooks support. They'll be able to guide you through more advanced fixes. And that's it. By following these steps, identifying the problematic transaction, addressing the root cause, verifying the fix, and reaching out for help if needed, you can resolve most incorrect report issues in QuickBooks Online. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone who might be struggling with their QuickBooks reports. And don't forget to subscribe for more practical tutorials that make managing your finances easier. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.